Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve black screen when receiving notifications in Windows. So this black screen issue during notifications has been encountered by users mostly after recent Windows updates like versions 24H2, and several potential causes have been identified include GPU driver issues, outdated or incompatible drivers, third-party app overlays, system file corruptions, background app conflicts, and misconfigured display settings. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to update all your drivers. So all you have to do is to right click on the Start Windows button and then select Device Manager. And once you open up this device manager, and then next step, then select display adapters and then click this arrow to expand. And you can see here this display adapters graphics driver. So all you have to do is to update this driver. So select and then right click and then tap update driver. In updating this driver, so we have two options. One is the search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer for drivers. And then you need to select search automatically and then wait. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after at display adapters and the other drivers that we need to update, and then here same at device manager, and then you need to select the sound, video, and game controller. So click this arrow to expand and then select this audio driver. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and tap update driver. In updating this driver, so we have two option again, like search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer for drivers. And then you need to select search automatically and then tap, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so after here at device manager, and then we need to close. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to check display settings. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open the Windows settings. And then once you open up this Windows settings, and then here at left side navigation pane, and then select system, and on right side, and then select this display and then click. So here in display, and then you need to scroll down and under at related settings, and then you need to select this advanced display and then click. So here at advanced display, and then next step, then you need to select this choose refresh rate, and on right side, and then you need to click this arrow and select this standard refresh rate. Alright, so once you're done here at advanced display, and then next we're going to do is to check the HDR if is enabled, and then we need to toggle off. So all you have to do is to go back, so click this go back settings. And same here at display, and then you need to select HDR and then click. And here at HDR settings, and then scroll down. And you can see here this HDR video streaming, and then on right side, then we need to toggle off these settings. Alright, so once you do this, and then we need to close. And then here at start menu, then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix black screen when receiving notifications in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.